To change the language on your Temu application. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you need to go and open your Temu application like this, and after this go directly to you. Here on you go to settings. Here on settings we'll find the language option, and here you will find just two language, English and Spanish. For example, if you want a more language, you will go just to settings of your phone, then you will go to your general management, and you will select the language, and here you will change. For example, you will add a language that you don't have in Temu application. For example, I will choose Polski, and when I will go and open my Temu application, it will open on Polski language. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another